Hi students, welcome back. After the ending of chapter number 10, acid, base and salts, today we will discuss the next chapter, that is the first number topic of this one chapter is the organic chemistry. How we will define the organic chemistry is the study of carbon containing compounds. The study of carbon containing compound is known as organic chemistry. This is the very simple definition. Now, the study of carbon containing compounds and their properties, means characteristics, is known as organic chemistry. Now what are the carbon containing compounds? These are ethane, methane, propane, butane, nonane, decane, octane, etc. And benzene is also an organic compound. Naphthalene is also an organic compound. There are thousands and millions of examples of the carbon containing compounds. Now, what are the organic compounds? The study of hydrocarbons. In detail, we will discuss the hydrocarbons. That what are hydrocarbons? We will discuss it later on in detail, and their derivatives called organic compounds. The substances which are made from the hydrocarbons are known as their derivatives. And the hydrocarbons, these are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Now, examples of hydrocarbon are methane. Meth means the compound containing one carbon is known as meth. The compound containing two carbon is known as eth. The compound containing three carbon is known as prop. So this is methane, this is ethane, this is propane, and this is benzene. This is benzene. Now, what are the derivative of the hydrocarbons? As you see in this example, that this is methane. When one hydrogen is removed from this methane, it becomes an alkyl group which is known as methyl. This methyl is derived from methane. So this is known as derivative of hydrocarbon. This is known as a derivative of hydrocarbon. And also in ethane, one hydrogen is removed. When one hydrogen is removed, it becomes as ethyl group, which is also known as alkyl group. And this is also the example of the derivative from the hydrocarbons. So this is the derivative of hydrocarbon. This is another example. There are million examples present in the organic world, but we have discussed a few examples to you people in order to explain it basically. If you have any questions regarding this one topics, you can ask in the comment box. Inshallah, we will discuss later on after this one topic that what are the characteristics of the organic compounds and what are the diversity of the organic compounds and a lot more. Thank you.